Welcome back to the NT Clock Shop. Okay, what we got now? That next here is a clock by the New England Clock Company. It's another clock I got at the local antique store. I've already removed the back on it. It's got a small German movement in there. The nice thing about these type of movements that New England Clock Company uses is they keep really good time. The problem is with this one is it's just like the other 30-hour clock I worked on. It's just dirty, needs cleaned. So that's our next steps to take it back apart, uh, get all the parts clean through the sonic cleaner, and then we'll get it back together, get the chimes working correctly because they're not working right now. So, all right, that's our next move is to start taking this clock apart. Okay, let's start taking the clock apart. Let me lay it on its back. It'd be easier. Get these hands off. Sometimes you can take them off with your finger, but I may need the pliers. Yep, I'm going to need the pliers. Just gotta be careful I don't slip and scratch the clock face here. Alright, I got it. Well, that must be stubborn, I see. There it is. Okay, let's look in the back here. Got some tiny screws in it. Let's see if I can put something down here and just lay it on the front part. Easier to get these screws out. I'm trying to do it standing up. Oop, I was afraid of that. Knocking everything over. There we go. If I can get to the other side there. There it is. That should pull right on out, just like that. Almost reminds me of a cuckoo clock movement. So small. And you gotta be careful when you lay these down, you don't bend anything on them. So I usually use these cardboard rolls that work out pretty good for holding the movement. All right, in the case, I'm going to have to make a new piece on the bottom. See, that one's loose. I'll glue that in. But I did get some stock. Probably make that fit in there. I got to figure out how I'm going to make it, but I can use this stock here to make a new piece for the foot. I'll clean the case up and get some of that Howard's on it and make it look good. Yeah, that was a nice little clock. It'll make somebody a good clock. All right. Well, the next step's to get this thing over to get it all taken apart and get over to Sonic Cleaner. And the thing about these movements, though, you gotta not add any ammonia to your mix because these have lacquer on them, and it delaminates the lacquer, and that's not good. The lacquer's on there to keep the brass from tarnishing. So, might just use like a Dawn dish liquid to clean it. That shouldn't take the lacquer off that. It shouldn't delacquer it. But yeah, I learned the hard way on these style of movements. The other ones have like the older, the 30s and older clocks. They have like a gold gilding on them, so that protects the brass from tarnishing. And the Sonic Cleaner doesn't really mess with that at all. So I'll probably have to hand clean this one, but we'll get it working. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.